Hello and welcome. My name is Manuel and I'm going to be your instructor for this Power BI Service Administration class. And in this video, we're just going to take a couple of minutes to really talk about what your expectations should be for this class. Now, this class is really meant for those users who are going to be working within the cloud service side of Power BI. So really, we're not going to be focusing on the creation of reports, but it's mostly after the fact. When a report is done and created, what are we going to be doing? How does that get deployed? Where do we deploy it to? And of course, other elements that go along with administration, namely some security aspects of it. So in order to be successful throughout this class, really all you're going to be needing is an account with Power BI, and to fully follow along with all the modules nearing more the end of the series is going to be access to the Power BI admin portal. With just those two items, you're going to be ready to go so you can take in all the information we have prepared for you. Learning about Power BI administration is absolutely paramount. The idea and understanding of what needs to be done after a report is finished and needs to be deployed is critical. Knowing the levels of security, how things should be organized, and really what should be maintained. So as your organization grows and increases and new users are added into the mix, you have already got an understanding and have set the standards for these systems so that these will be put into place and persist. And so right now, with the popularity of Power BI, you can really find a ton of information at your fingertips, from blogs to the official documentation. But when it comes to administration, there's quite a few categories, there's quite a few processes that need to be understood. We've really structured this class to go from A to Z for that administration for the cloud service for Power BI. So you're going to be able to consume all of it, and we've packaged it in such a way that you can easily reference back to a specific piece of administration that you might be working on at that present time. Now, when it's all said and done and you reach the very end of this series, we're going to have a firm grasp on how to create workspaces, how we can manage apps, going through and maintaining security using row-level security, all the aspects and gamuts that come with administration. You're going to be able to start from the ground up and have a solid foundation that'll take you and the organization all the way through in the future, and you can feel sound and secure with what you've done with your cloud service in regards to administration. So I hope you're ready for a great class filled with tons of awesome content. See you in the next video.